Good morning, everyone. Lonewulfrick here. It's a nice morning today. 48 degrees right now. A few minutes after 8 a.m. in the morning. Saying the breeze is supposed to pick up a little bit today. I know it got a little bit windy last night for a little bit, but a little bit breezy today, but it's supposed to get up to around 60 degrees, so hopefully it'll be a nice day here in Las Vegas. I'm looking southbound here on the Las Vegas Strip, up some of the pedestrian bridge, right outside my favorite Denny's store right there, Denny's restaurant. You see the Coca-Cola store, the M&M store, all those stores over there. So we look southbound here. I can tell you, it's like this time of the year, there's absolutely nothing going on in Las Vegas. Even a lot of the production shows, it's like, you know, for 2 or 3 days midweek, it's like all shut down. And so a lot of the smaller shows are still going on. You know, shows like Mac King and Blue Band Group is still like up and running. But most of the Cirque du Soleil shows are down for, you know, a couple of days, and as it's just not enough traffic here, you know, to support everything. We kind of take a walk over here and take a look. We'll take a look over here going northbound here. You saw where they released all of the numbers from Las Vegas for 2021. Not particularly a good year. The Strip was down. They were comparing it actually to 2020 or 2019, I guess. You know, last couple of years with everything open and shut and everything, but 2021 compared to 2019 was down here in Las Vegas, except for downtown. The Fremont Street area did okay, but the Strip was way down, and a lot of the other properties or the other areas, like North Las Vegas. It's like you know, northern Nevada and outlying areas were all down this year as compared to 2019. See, there's not many people out walking around today. Not yet, anyway. Like I said, it's a few minutes after 8 o'clock. It's the time I started this, so. Temperature wise and weather wise, basically it's like for Las Vegas, it's supposed to be pretty much like this the rest of the week. Highs will be near 60 degrees and the lows will be probably like the high 30s. The low this morning was 39, and like I said, it's about 48 right now here in Las Vegas. Rock Cafe guitar. Hope you saw my video yesterday. It's like I was talking about the Mirage and and Hard Rock taking it over, converting it into Hard Rock Las Vegas. Not sure what happened there, but trash galore, huh? Used to back in the day, pedestrian had the right of way, but he never really slowed down, so I guess he figured I would stop or run into him, one or the other. Excuse me, everybody. Seemed like the last couple of days my cough was trying to come back on me, so kind of taking it a little more easier, not pushing myself as much. Alright everybody, I think that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, don't want to get sick again, so don't want to push it too much. I appreciate you joining me today, I really do. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, we greatly appreciate that. And to our subscribers and everybody watching our videos, thank you very much for your support. We greatly appreciate it. Alright everybody, take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.